Welcome to Cookin with Bobbi Jo. Today we are going to be doing a weird food combo challenge. Lone Star Pioneering challenged us to a weird food combo challenge. So we're going with the baseball theme since it is playoffs. And we're going with the Braves. The Braves are my team. He likes
Cincinnati.
The Reds. They didn't make it though. The Reds did, the Braves did, so he's wearing my team today. Something's flying around in here. And this is Bobbi Jo. This is who the channel's named after, if y'all don't know that by now. She needs to be brushed. I didn't brush her before a video today. And Bobbi Jo is named after Bobbi Jo Cox, the retired Atlanta Braves manager. Aren't you, Bobbi Jo? We also have Nolan, named after Nolan Ryan. So, we're going with baseball theme. Let me go wash my hands. I've been petting the dog. I'll leave it running.
Good call. Carla, you can't be scratching at me, and Bobbi Jo, don't get up on the table. I know, it's a tough, you gotta resist. You gotta resist, sweetie. Yeah, that is a good look. That is your best smile for the camera. Say, I'm a star.
She is a star. Okay, you gotta quit. I can't pet you right now. We're gonna fix some food here. So what we're gonna do, Bobbi. We'll get yours here in a second, Bobbi, and Carla's too.
That's Bobbi's plate.
That's Dad's plate.
That's Bobbi's plate.
Dad is going to enjoy.
She has
hey,
lit
Carla.
this plate. Therefore, it's Bobbi's plate. Thank you.
So, what we're going to do...
That's Bobbi's hot dog.
We're going to fix Bobbi and Carla's hot dog first. They're going to taste test first. So, we're going to do hot dog. We're going to do chili cheese dogs. But we're not going to put chili on the dogs. On the dogs, hot dogs. On the dogs. We're going to put a little cheese.
That's like cannibalism.
No, this isn't cannibalism, is it, Bobbi Jo?
A dog eating a dog?
This is beef.
Just saying.
We're going to put apple pie.
And it's hopefully it's real apple pies and not the green apple pies on the box.
So we're gonna oh, we didn't put the mustard on it. You want to do the mustard?
Can dogs have mustard?
Oh, we'll say the mustard for ours. Look at the gooey apple pie. Can you hand me a plate? Pretty good gooey apple pie. And look at her. Don't put any chili on there. I'm not sure what's in that chili. There might be a little onion powder or something, and doggies aren't supposed to have. So, okay, so the weird food challenge for the dog, or the dogs, is hot dog with cheese, apple pie, and Cracker Jacks. And I didn't get a knife. Let me go get a knife.
You're so patient, Miss Bobbi. You are. Especially when I turn that away from you.
Okay.
Carla.
Come here, Carla.
We're going to give this to Miss Bobbi.
Here you go, Bobbi. Bobbi, Carla says she don't need a plate. She's throwing it on the floor.
And Bobbi's our chewer dog. She will chew.
Definitely. You like those Cracker Jacks?
She's chewing her Cracker Jacks.
Do you think this is a pretty good combo so far? Look, you just dropped some of yours, didn't you? She's like, I gotta go clean that up off the floor.
Yeah. You want the bun and the cheese and
You gotta give her time. She's gotta chew it.
Oh, I thought she was going to go ahead and get up.
Oh no, she'll finish her plate. Carla, did you finish? You got a Cracker Jack right there. She says, huh.
She's got cheese on her neck. There you go, Miss Bobbi. Bobbi Jo. You don't get to
I'm not
choose
a
all.
big hot dog fan. I don't eat a whole lot of hot dogs. I got burned out on them when I was a kid because we lived off hot dogs, but I don't think they were all beef hot dogs. Those were the cheap things.
For Gwaltney.
We should have done that for a weird food combo because you don't know what's in those things.
Yeah, floor sweepings out of the hot dog factory.
Okay, so
Okay.
it looks like the dogs enjoyed it. So let's see how
It
this.
might be two. Maybe not. That's only one plate. Okay.
So let's see. You're done. Look at you wagging your tail, thinking you're getting more.
Well, she's an optimist, aren't we all? Though.
I don't know if y'all can see me fixing these hot dogs way over here.
I'm gonna move Bobby's plate to the floor so we don't end up serving my hot dog on the dog plate.
What? You don't want to eat on the dog plate? Oh, that was a good burp.
Hey, don't let her lick. Well, I mean, there's worse things to lick, I guess.
Oh my goodness. Just stick those Cracker Jacks down in the chili. This is ours. This isn't yours. Gotta keep my eye on
Need
you.
one more on me in there to make it. Okay.
Oh, look how pretty he made that.
Yes, I'm all about the organization.
You go down the center with apple pie. My hot dog's about to flip over though. I might need a fork. You want me to put some Cracker Jacks on yours, or you want to do your little organization? Are you going to try it first, or do you want me to try it first?
I'll try it first.
He's good at giving food reviews. He'll give you textures and taste and... He's just smiling away down there.
Mm-hmm. Well, the sweetness of the apple, along with the sweetness of the caramel on the Cracker Jacks, with the flatness of the cheese and the chili, just contrasts with everything. It's actually pretty good. The crunchiness of the Cracker Jacks, I'm expecting it so I can deal with it. Generally, I don't like surprise crunches in my food because I used to eat outside a lot when I was a kid. You figure it out. But this actually it's pretty good.
Really?
I like it.
It's not nasty. It looks nasty.
It's a little big, but
so you're not just pulling my leg?
No, it's good.
And I'm going to taste it. I'm going to be like, you're full of it.
I like it.
I guess so. He's eating it all up, ain't he, Bobbi Jo? All right, let me see if I can taste a little of it.
It might not be weird enough.
Might not be what?
Weird enough.
Well, I mean, it's a weird food combo. It doesn't have to taste bad, I guess.
Yeah.
The mustard and the pie kind of don't go together.
Yeah, but
It's actually not bad.
the mustard's a good bridge from the pie to the hot dog. And
It's
the
kind of
cheese
like
and chili.
having your dessert on top of your hot dog. What are we going to call it? The All-American Baseball Dog? Because, I mean, apple pie is American. And baseball is American.
True.
Cracker Jacks always go with baseball.
Yeah, and I don't think people eat hot dogs at football games, do they?
I don't know. I don't go to many football games.
Yeah. I mean, football games, I guess you don't want to go to concessions and miss a play because that's like a lot of the action. And you probably can't get to a concession stand and back while they're in a huddle.
Well,
I like it.
I thought the Cracker Jacks were going to be disgusting in the chili, but they're not. I don't know. It's kind of good. It's not good for the blood sugar, but
Well, yeah.
as long as I don't go into some kind of diabetic coma from having a few Cracker Jacks and an apple pie, I think we'll be fine.
Yeah.
The All-American Baseball. How did I say that?
All-American baseball dog?
Yeah, All-American Baseball Dog.
Yes.
My COVID brain sets in a lot.
Yeah, I give it 2 thumbs up.
Well, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And I hope y'all have a blessed rest of your day.